Hello, welcome to foodpicks.com. I am Zinia. Today we will prepare Paneer Do Pyaza. Let's see what all ingredients we need. 300 grams paneer cubes, 2 to 3 medium sized chopped tomato, 1 tablespoon tomato puree, 1 tablespoon beaten cream, 1 chopped onion, 1 julienne onion, 1 onion cut into big cubes, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon jeera, pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 3 to 4 crushed green cardamom, salt as per your taste. Let's start. Heat a pan with half tablespoon of oil. Oil is hot. Now we will saute our big onion cubes in this oil. Saute it just for few seconds till they become little brown. You can see onion pieces are slightly brown. Now we will take it out from oil. Keep it aside. Now in the same pan we will take 2 tablespoons of oil. When oil is hot enough, we will fry this julienne onion. Fry them till they are golden brown. You can see onions have changed its color, they are golden brown. Now we will take it out from oil. Keep it aside. Now in the same pan we will prepare our curry. First reduce some oil from it. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in the same pan. When oil is hot enough, add cumin seeds, crushed cardamom, chopped onion, ginger paste, garlic paste. Mix them and saute it for 1 minute till onions are slightly brown. You can see onions have changed its texture. Now let's add our chopped tomatoes. Mix it and saute it for 1 minute till onions are little soft and tender. You can see tomatoes are soft and tender. Now we will add turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chilli powder. Mix them nicely. Add 1 cup water. Bring it to boil on high flame. When it starts boiling, we will add our paneer cubes. Add salt. Now we will cover it and cook it on medium flame for 5-7 minutes. Let's check. You can see paneer is cooked well. Now we will add tomato puree, garam masala powder, cream. Mix them nicely and very gently. Now we will add this fried onion and this sauteed onion. Mix them. Cook it on high flame for 1 or 2 minutes. Adjust the salt as per your taste. Everything is cooked well. Now we will add some chopped coriander leaves. Let's take it out from flame. Let's serve it. Paneer Do Pyaza is ready. For more recipes, log on to foodpicks.com. Thank you.